how to add date of birth in Telegram app on iPhone or Android, then this video is for you. You just need to follow some steps and then you're done. Open your Telegram application. If you don't have it, just download it and sign up. And then go to the menu bar. Here, go to settings. And on settings, here at the top right, tap on three dot and tap on edit info. On edit info, at the last option, you can see your birthday. Under that, there is the option of adding date of birth. Just tap on it and scroll down to the year you were born on, your month, and your date. After that, save, and then you're done. If you want to remove it, just tap on remove date of birth. It gets back to where you don't have date of birth shown in your profile. And in this way, you can add date of birth in Telegram app on your Apple or Android device. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like it.